Hello, my name is Stephen McCallister, and today we're going to be talking about cloud presentations. Let's discuss software as a service. It is a software distribution model in which a cloud provider hosts applications and makes them available to end users over the internet. The host can be a third-party cloud provider in the event the software vendor is small. And in the event of a large company, the cloud provider may also be the software vendor, i.e., Microsoft. Initial setup and maintenance are not required, which makes this a good go to for people who may not be tech savvy. An example of software as a service is Netflix. Now let's discuss platform as a service. This is a complete development and deployment environment in the cloud, with resources that enable you to deliver everything from simple cloud based applications to sophisticated cloud enabled enterprise applications. This is designed to support the complete web application lifecycle, which includes building, testing, deployment, managing, and finally, updating. Desktop as a service discusses a cloud computing offering where a service provider delivers virtual desktops to end users over the internet, licensed with a per user subscription. The provider takes care of background management for small businesses that find creating their own virtual desktop infrastructure either too time consuming or too expensive. There are two types of desktops typically mentioned, the first being persistent and the second being non-persistent. Persistent desktops are the same each time a user logs in. A non-persistent desktop gets wiped each time the user logs out. Infrastructure as a service is a type of cloud computing service that offers essential compute, storage, and networking resources on demand on a pay as you go basis. It also gives you the flexibility to scale your IT resources either up and or down depending on demand. They also help you quickly provision new applications and increase the reliability of your underlying infrastructure. Some benefits of infrastructure as a service are reduced capital expenditure, increased scale and performance, increased stability, and supportability, and lastly, it improves business continuity and disaster recovery. Local resources are those type of resources that include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and finally, software. Local control is having the ability to control aspects of your cloud usage on demand. This could either be via an interface, whether it be a locally installed and or one that you log into online. It gives you the adjustability needed for your organization. Anytime we discuss cloud computing, networking is a must. The first thing that we're going to discuss about is depending on how big your company is will dictate the need of network requirements, what speed your internet service provider provides, and lastly, what network infrastructure you have either on site versus being hosted in the cloud. This will all dictate as to what network requirements your corporation is going to need. When discussing cloud computing, security is also important. First, let's discuss attacks. Attacks are going to target off-site hosting applications, therefore bringing down your network. Some mitigation techniques might be software that can target the attackers and or at least alert you when an attack is in progress. Other vulnerabilities can be patched as soon as they are discovered, and this is typically done either through the hosting site and or the security applications your organization utilizes. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much, and God bless.